Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Already we are discussing about analogy and its types, and we saw 9 types. Now we are going to see what kind of relationship they will ask in this type of analogy. What kind of relationship they will ask in this type of analogy. Come on. What we have to study? For this analogy, what we have to study for this analogy? That only we are going to see in this section. I will give some examples, only 2 to 4 in each topic. I will give 2 to 4 examples. Kindly refer that examples and search similar examples in a Google. Okay. First example is, they will ask the relationship between country and its capital. Country and its capital. When I searched in Google, there are 195 countries in our world. Our world contains 195 countries. For example, they will ask USA. What's the capital of USA? We already know. It's Washington. Similarly, Iraq. What's the capital of Iraq? It's Baghdad. Baghdad. Yes, this is a simple one, but we have to search and study for other 193 countries. You have to search at Google. Other than this, there are 193 countries. So search it and study. Okay. This kind of way they will ask analogy. This is the one model. And second, state and capital. State and capital. In India, we are having how many states? 29 states. And union territories? 7 union territories. Okay. In India, we are having 29 states and 7 union territories. Please find and read the states and capital. I am giving one example. Example is Meghalaya, Shillong, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Please go and search in a Google and write down all the states and capitals of union territories too, and also countries and their capitals. In this way they will ask analogy. And then third one is country and currencies. Country and currency. For 195 questions, write country and their capital and their currency too. Don't forget to write currency. Note down the currency capital for every countries of 195 countries. For example, UAE, dirham. Sweden, krona. These are some examples. You have to find for 195 countries with capital and with currency. Okay. Make a tabular column for country, capital and currency. 3 tabular column and note down from Google. Okay. And then similarly, fourth model. Instrument. And measurement. Instrument and measurement. For example, barometer. Used to measure pressure level. This and all we already studied in our school days. In 7th standard, 8th standard. From school days itself we have studied this. Barometer is used to measure the pressure. Then hygrometer. Hygrometer is used to measure humidity. Okay. Then tasseometer, used to measure strains. And then last one is spigomanometer. Spigomanometer used to measure blood pressure. Okay, this is the lengthiest one. Spigomanometer used to measure blood pressure. These are the some instruments. I given only some instruments. You have to find what are the instruments present in the world and how we are using the instrument to measure. What we are going to measure. You have to find that too. For example, lactometer. What is the use of lactometer? Lactometer is used to measure milk density. These questions unsolved we already seen in our school class itself. So, search in your Google and write more instrument and measurements. Okay. Now, fifth model. Quantity and unit. Quantity and its unit. Example, length. We already studied in our school itself, just we are recalling, and you have to search for more examples similar to quantity and unit in a Google. So, okay. Example, length. Length we measured using meter. Angle, unit is radians. luminosity. Unit is candela. Magnetic field. Unit is Tesla. And then force. Unit is Newton. These are some examples. Okay, length meter, angle radians. This you can search in a max. Luminosity, magnetic field, force, these and all physics. Like that you have to search in a Google. Okay. Similarly, you can find for power and its unity, energy, joule, etc. that you can find in a Google. Okay. Magnetic field intensity, magnetic field density, each one has different units. Search in a Google. So quantity and unit. Okay. Under the topic, if you search me, they will show a number of questions. Okay, that you can write in a tabular column. Then sixth one, individual and group. For example, sailors. The group of sailors are called as crew members. Okay. Soldiers. Group of soldiers means army. A single man is a soldier. A group of soldiers means army. Then pilgrims. Group of pilgrim centers is caravan. And then musicians. Group of musicians called as band. Like that you have to find. Okay. You can find like a group of horse is called as what? Group of pigs is called as, they will have some name similar to crew, army, band, like that. A bunch of flowers. So for everything, if it's form a group, the name will be changed. So find that group name. Okay. So here I conclude. So today we saw about 6 kinds of relationship they will ask in analogy. First find the 6 today in a Google. Note down in a note. Tomorrow we can see with some more examples what kind of relationship they will ask in a exam. Okay. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.